Understanding Trenching Turns, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, trenching turns. This might be a new expression for many of you, so let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage together. Trenching turns is not a common phrase in everyday English and is actually quite specific in its usage. It's typically used in the context of skiing, when a skier makes very deep and sharp turns, carving into the snow so much that it looks like they are digging trenches. That's when we use the term trenching turns. Imagine a skier swiftly descending a slope, with each turn leaving a deep, curved mark in the snow, like a trench. Let's break down the phrase. Trenching. This part comes from the word trench, which means a long, narrow ditch. In our context, it's about creating deep paths in the snow. Turns. This refers to the act of changing direction while skiing. Combined with trenching, it implies making deep, marked turns. To better understand trenching turns, let's see it in a few sentences. 1. The expert skier was admired for his trenching turns down the steep slope. 2. As a beginner, I find it hard to make trenching turns. They require skill and confidence. While trenching turns is specific to skiing, learning such phrases is important for English learners. It helps you understand cultural contexts. Skiing is popular in many English-speaking countries. Expand vocabulary. Learning specialized terms enhances your overall language skills. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, trenching turns, and adds an interesting term to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about common phrases but also about these unique expressions. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.